305, I got us. On my way to making checks with double commas. Piling enough to blow a couple bags with all y'all. And crush you ever wishing I came back where I'm done. Slip before I get harm done. Hit that lift for my soul.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're an OG subscriber, thank you guys for coming back. If you're brand new, thank you. Please do stick around by turning on your notification bell and giving me a thumbs up if you like and enjoy this video. I just wanted to show you how I made this cute cloud. This is so easy. I used a bottle. Generally you could use fairy lights that change colors, but because I don't have that, I decided that I'm just going to make this cute cloud for the light in my room. Okay, so I cut the neck of the bottle to a width that I thought would be large enough to fit the bulb. And then I poked some holes parallel to each other, basically so that they are in a straight line. Fishing wire to be able to hook onto my light. You can use whatever that is suitable for what kind of light or lamp that you are going to be using. And then I used this fabric glue. You can use wood glue, whatever tacky glue you have available, you can do that. It was pretty easy. And then I used cotton wool. Literally I took the wool from a pillow that wasn't really being used, tore it apart to make it a bit more fluffier, and then I stuck it on there, and I literally hung up this chandelier cloud immediately after doing it because it was tacky enough. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this, and now you can go and make your own. And if you do create your own, please tag me on your pictures on Instagram at King May. Bye.